Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do another New Year's Eve look, but something a little bit different. I mentioned in my last video that I always think of New Year's Eve looks to be kind of black and silver or brown and gold or black and gold, but today I wanted to do rose gold, and I've been loving the whole glitter liner thing. I mean, I already did a black glitter liner, which I think looks so pretty, but I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I did this kind of like cranberry rose gold smoky eye. Really quick and easy to achieve, and then I glammed up the whole look and spiced it up with this glitter liner, and it's rose gold. You guys know I love rose gold. So I'm so excited about today's look, so if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Feels. Starting with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to run this shadow through my crease all the way into this inner corner, just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions, and then doing little circular motions to start blending this out. I'm now going into Devilish. Now switching over to my Sigma E25, I'm going to start blending this through my crease. And whenever I do a smoky eye, I like to concentrate on my crease first. It just makes the whole process easier and kind of quicker. So I concentrate on blending out the crease and really perfecting it and diffusing it. And then I'll just pop on that shadow on my lid and you're basically done. And now picking up that same shadow on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush by Sigma, I'm just packing the shadow onto my lid. And then picking up Feels once again on my E38 and running that at the very highest point of my crease. I always bring back the transition shade or the very first shadow that I applied on my crease with a fluffier brush to help blend everything out. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going into Hotspot. With my Sigma E32 Exact Blend brush, I'm just going to apply this shadow right at the highest point of my brow. It's just going to help clean up the brow area and highlight it if I went a little bit too far up with my shadows. And then you can apply it just a little bit right here to help clean that up as well, only if it's a matte brow shadow. For my lower lash line, I'm doing the same thing that I did through my crease. So first picking up Feels on my E54 medium sweeper brush by Sigma and running that along my lash line. And then picking up Devilish on my E15 flat definer brush by Sigma and first kind of wiggling that into my lash line, really close in there. And then I'm going to start smoking that down. For my glitter liner, I'm going to the Pop Beauty Flash Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow in Crushed Copper. I'm picking up this liquid shadow on my Sigma E06 Wing Liner brush. So I'm first going to start off by creating the shape of the wing liner. And this glitter shadow is going to be a little bit more difficult kind of to make it perfect because of the sparkles. But using this brush is going to make it really easy because it's so small and precise. And I'm now just going to fill in the rest of the liner. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going to the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Brood. I'm first just going to line my upper waterline, and then I'm going to line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into these Salon Perfect Extension Seeker Lashes in 661, and that's the eye look done. I'm obsessed with the liner so much. I honestly just want to wear this forever. If you know me, you know that I love rose gold. I'm obsessed with rose gold. If it's rose gold, I want it. So I'm in love with how it looks right now. So for my lips, I'm going to bring out a lipstick that I haven't used in a hot minute, and I'm really excited to try it out again. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Crush. The shade is so pretty, and it's going to match so perfectly with the eyes. And that's it. This is a completed look of my Cranberry Smoky Eye and Rose Gold Glitter Liner. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love the glitter liner. I think it's so fun and different and really glam and really spices up your simple kind of smoky eye. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be right here as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today along with the brushes will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. I hope you guys have an amazing and safe and fun New Year's Eve, and that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.